Hi there, I'm Rob McCoy of RAM Communications, and here's your next quick tip. 4 reasons you should hire a telecom agent. Number 1, telecommunications. You may have no idea what you are getting yourself into. Let's start with the size and complexity of telecommunications. The U.S. telecom market is nearly $1 trillion in annual revenues. The industry is cluttered with acronyms, bureaucracies, and language that is difficult to understand. Let's say you want to integrate your smartphones, your tablets, your desktop software together. Well, it takes more than just an IT assistant to bring all your communications together on one platform. In order to deliver a successful outcome, you need additional resources like voice engineers, software programmers, project managers that are armed with testing procedures. Agents bring these resources to you. Agents have years of experience, additional support, and knowledge about a wide variety of services that can benefit your business. Number 2, you probably don't have the time. Does anyone in your organization have the time, the desire, or expertise to troubleshoot your telecommunications services? Do you or your staff really want to spend hours on the phone or in chat sessions with 1-800-NO-SERVICE? The best agents have the resources to support your needs. Moves, adds, and changes to your systems, well, those can take 5 minutes or they could take 5 hours. It's an unpredictable endeavor. If your business has multiple locations, if your business has 100 or more devices, then you should probably consider outsourcing your telecom services, your research, and your support. If you do this, I can almost guarantee you'll probably save time, money, and aggravation. Number 3, service providers don't care about you. Congratulations. Let's say you run a successful firm with over 100 employees and you've generated millions in annual revenues. You certainly have our respect. However, please allow me to put this into real-world context. Unfortunately, your company and your technology budget are worth almost nothing to the big players. Consider these facts. AT&T alone reported revenues of $171 billion in 2020. Verizon reported $128 billion in revenues in the same year. Now, let's pretend that your annual technology budget is $10 million. That means your business is worth 0.0000582% in annual revenue for AT&T. So think about this. When you're trying to negotiate deals with the big carriers, you need to keep these financial realities in mind. Here's quick tip number 4. Private agents are vested in your success. A private agency does value your business. After all, if you're not happy and productive, the agent can't be happy and productive either. As agents, we depend upon your business a lot more than the big carriers. Once more, the best agencies bring partnerships with many reputable service providers who also appreciate your business. So, why put up with being anonymous when you can have a relationship with an agent who provides you better resources and better results? If you have any questions or you would like to learn more, contact RAM Communications today, online or at our phone number. Thanks, and have a great day.